After a while, kaya nga marami akong natutunan sa kanya because after a while, love is like that. You have to compromise. So whenever he feels that way, then gano'n, parang I try to make him feel na, it's not worth it. I'm with you, Tapos siya din, like, he also naman sometimes na-feel ko parang, I'm guilt, I'm jealous, ganyan. Pero siya, hindi niya siniseryoso kasi akala niya nagbibiro lang ako. Yun.
We have another question from Sir Arch.
What's the
Good afternoon. Sophie, sinabi niyo more than a year na kayo ang relationship niya. No? Point lang itong tanong na ito. Kung nagawa na sabihin sa'yo ni Vin ngayon, Sophie na, marry me, ano mag-reaction?
Ako'y na-shock sa sabi. Huwag mo na ito.
For now, if it were me, I would say no, not because I don't love him, but because I know he still has a lot of dreams, and I also still have a lot of dreams. And when we do get married, I want to get married to him, and parang not ever blame being married or having children to not being able to achieve my dreams. So I would tell him no because I want him to reach his fullest, and I want me to reach my fullest. So I'll tell him one day.
Would you say that he's a good husband?
Yeah, he is. He's very husband material.
How about Vin? Halimbawa sinabi na sa'yo, point blank na ni Sophie, marry me. Ano yung reaction?
No?
Yes.
Oh man. I would answer to say, actually, kasi nag-deal na kami dun eh. Napag-usapan namin, syempre hindi na malayo. Napag-usapan namin yun na nag-deal kami. Kasi we are the type na couple na every time nagsasalita kami, it's full of dreams. Lagi, uy, alam mo ganito, gusto ko ng future, gusto ko ganito. Full of dreams ko, ano pangarap niya. At sobra mo naman mga knowing her dreams. Makikilala mo talaga yung tao kung ano yung mga pangarap niya sa buhay. At ganoon din ako. Sasabi ko sa kanya mga pangarap ko. Alam niya na, hindi ko alam, marami ko. Milyon-milyon ang mga pangarap ko sa buhay. At ako din mismo, hindi pa ako mapapropose yan. Gusto ko yung prepared ako for her. I want to be the best of who I am. I want to be a gentleman. I think kung ready na akong magkaroon ng mga babies, ng mga paparami ko, and pagdala sa school, and give her the life that she wants. Doon pa lang ako